Hi, here's an Emerson Heat Fan. And the first thing, which is very important, is that you don't swap capacitor with capacitor higher rating unless you have an amp meter. And you know the motor is made for higher amperage. And I did use an amp meter before and after swapping capacitor. So anyways, here's an Emerson Heat Fan. I'm turning on medium speed with a solid state speed control. The same solid state speed control as the one I used in my last video of this fan on different speeds. This fan runs like brand new now. In fact, even better than it was when it was right out of the box, because I balanced the blades and I upped the capacitor from 9UF to 10UF. And yes, I'm keeping 9UF capacitors as spare capacitors, just in case I ever get a fan that needs a new 9UF capacitor. Before anyone tells me that the blades were mix matched, I had to use 3 weights on 2 blades to balance this fan, while on other Heat Fan I only had to use 1 weight for each blade to balance it. So it was not a mix match problem. It's dated October 1981 and is made in manufacturer facility number 2. There were some fake wood Emerson Heat Fan made in manufacturing facility number 4, year 1980. So it might have to do with manufacturing facility, whether blades are fiberglass or fake wood. I also want to say that I did replace the bearings. And one reason I did that is that it still makes some little bearing noise. Another reason is I wanted to make a video showing how. And another reason is that I was a bit curious if flywheel was in the right spot of rotor, in which it wasn't. And it takes labor to find out. So why not replace the bearings as well? I'm going to start turning it up. The scraping noise you're hearing is actually from things that's blown by this fan, not from this fan. It actually spins faster than it did before. It used to not spin that fast, and now seems to spin about as fast as other heat fan I saw in videos with K55 motor and fiberglass blades. and it feels more than it used to. And you can see it doesn't wobble nearly as much, but still makes some slight buzzing noise, which is normal with solid state control. And your turn off and shall spin down. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.